boxes from the attic and haul them down the stairs. Freezing weather's round the corner and everybody knows. Soon the tree will be all lit up, sparkling as it glows. Today is anything but the same old thing. I can almost hear those sleigh bells ring, singing all those happy songs while the little ones all dance along. Take a real quick look around and suddenly I see it's not even Christmas yet. I got all the gifts I need. Running around in plaid pajamas and slippers on our feet. Mama takes that photograph while we all talk through our tea. Sugar cookies in the oven, shaped like tiny trees.